Losing a customer doesn't always mean something is wrong with your product. Sometimes it starts with something as small as a support ticket that gets overlooked. But a good help desk can actually help prevent that by keeping requests organized and making sure nothing gets forgotten. So, today we're looking at the top 5 help desk and customer support software options. All help manage customer support, but each has a different approach to automation, ticketing, and self-service. Let's see which one fits where. Modern customer support demands agility, which is why Bolddesk stands out as the most user-centric option. Unlike traditional, cumbersome platforms, Bolddesk offers a clean, intuitive interface that eliminates the steep learning curve. This ease of use is a core strength of the platform. Your team can jump in immediately, navigating a dashboard where every setting feels natural. This focus on usability reduces agent burnout and ensures that technology serves the workflow rather than obstructing it. Ticket management is streamlined through workflow boosters like scheduled tickets for recurring tasks and parent-child linking, which breaks complex issues into manageable subtasks across departments. To further enhance efficiency, the AI Copilot acts as a silent partner, summarizing long threads and automating repetitive queries using your existing knowledge base. This allows your team to focus on high-priority cases while AI handles the routine. Beyond standard summaries, Bolddesk packs powerful AI features like the Email AI Agent, which automatically analyzes, categorizes, and prioritizes incoming requests, and the Virtual AI Agent for immediate response suggestions. It even supports multi-agent setups, allowing you to deploy distinct AI assistants tailored for different brands or departments. What makes Bolddesk an even bigger disruptor is its pricing and value compared to legacy software. While competitors lock essential tools behind expensive tiers, Bolddesk includes all enterprise features in a single plan starting at just $99 for 5 agents. To make switching stress-free, they run a Zendesk buyout program that completely covers up to 6 months of your transition, alongside 100% free migration support to move your data and workflows without a second of disruption. Finally, Bolddesk provides instant clarity through real-time analytics dashboards. From monitoring peak traffic and SLA compliance to tracking AI performance, you gain actionable insights without the headache of complex reporting tools. Ultimately, Bolddesk is built for the modern support team, prioritizing efficiency and a superior experience for both agents and customers. It is the definitive choice for businesses ready to transform their workflow. When support requests start coming in, the biggest concern is keeping everything organized without making customers repeat themselves. That's where we found Zendesk really useful. Its unified agent workspace brings conversations and support requests together, while built-in ticketing, messaging, email, voice, SMS, live chat, reporting, and integrations give teams one place to manage customer service. And the self-service side is another big advantage. It lets businesses create a branded help center with knowledge base articles, a customer portal, and community features, so customers can find answers or check their tickets without always needing an agent, and that can take pressure off support teams. Zendesk is also putting even more focus on AI, with updates covering AI agents, Copilot, knowledge, messaging, analytics, and other support tools. Now, compared to Bolddesk, it can feel a bit complicated to set up and manage, especially for smaller teams. But we think its deeper customization makes it a good fit for larger support operations, as it is capable of handling high-volume, multi-channel customer support. Now, for teams that want customer support to feel organized without juggling different systems, Zoho Desk takes a more context-focused approach. It brings customer conversations from multiple channels into one workspace, while giving agents access to interaction history, ticket timelines, and SLA information. That means an agent can understand what's happening before replying instead of starting from zero every time. Automation is another strong point here. Teams can set up workflows, SLAs, ticket priorities, and other rules to handle repetitive support tasks automatically. There's also a built-in knowledge base and self-service help center, which can help customers solve common issues themselves and leave agents with more time for complicated requests. Then there's Zia, Zoho's AI assistant. It can analyze customer sentiment and tone, suggest or draft responses, provide insights, and help automate routine support work. On top of that, Zoho Desk provides reports and real-time dashboards so managers can spot ticket volume, performance issues, and support bottlenecks. When customer requests grow, teams need more than ticketing. They need a smarter way to organize, prioritize, and resolve issues efficiently. And Freshdesk is built around that day-to-day support workflow, giving teams a central place to manage customer conversations and tickets. Instead of having agents jump between different tools, Freshdesk brings support interactions into a structured helpdesk environment where teams can organize incoming requests, automate repetitive work, and keep track. Self-service is another important part of the setup. A knowledge base can give customers access to answers before they need to contact an agent, which can reduce repetitive tickets and let the team spend more time on issues that actually need human attention. This software also works well for teams that want more visibility into their support operation. Ticket information, workflows, automation, and reporting can give managers a clearer picture of where requests are coming from and where the team may be getting stuck. Yeah, Freshdesk gives you a lot to work with, but compared to Bolddesk, you may have to move up plans to get some features. But it's still a good choice if you want a familiar, scalable platform. When support teams are dealing with a heavy flow, the real challenge is keeping everything organized. Desk 365 tackles this by bringing ticketing, AI, IT assets, and Microsoft Teams into one workspace. Here, requests can come through email, a support portal, web widgets, forms, or Teams, while automated routing, custom statuses, priority rules, SLAs, and reminders help keep the right issues moving to the right people. There's also a built-in knowledge base for self-service, along with analytics for tracking response times, ticket volumes, and team performance. And it includes an AI agent for handling repetitive questions and an AI co-pilot that can summarize long tickets, draft replies, and turn resolved conversations into knowledge base articles. And its deep Teams integration is quite useful for Microsoft-based teams, as customers can create and track tickets inside Teams, while agents can manage requests and receive updates without constantly switching applications. It also connects asset management directly with tickets. Overall, Desk 365 is great if your team lives in Microsoft Teams, but compared to Bolddesk, it's more focused on that Microsoft setup. So, when choosing the right helpdesk software, it really comes down to what your support team needs and whether that's easier ticket management. But if we had to recommend just one overall, we'd definitely go with Bolddesk for its balance of features, ease of use, and straightforward setup. Check out the links in the description to learn more about all 5. Try them out and share your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos.